Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon and write Disk Clean and click on Disk Cleanup. Select the drive where you install your games and click on OK. Select all of the options and click on OK. Open Computer. Find the drive where you install your Steam games. Select it, right-click it, and click on Properties. Click on Tools. In Error Checking, click on Check. Click on the Windows icon. Write Run and click on it. And write Steam flushconfig and click on OK. Go to the Steam folder, scroll down, select Steam, right-click it, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply and click on OK. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write Windows Security and click on it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. In Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down. In Exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion and choose Folder. And make sure to select the Steam folder and click on Select Folder. Right-click in an empty space in your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Right-click on Steam and click on Go to Details. Right-click on Steam X and click on Set Priority and choose Real Time and confirm. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon and write Index and click on Indexing Options. Click on Advanced. In Troubleshooting, click on Rebuild and click on OK. Open Steam. In the top left corner, click on Steam, click on Settings and click on Downloads. In Download region, click to show the options and select the region which is closest to you and click on Restart Now. Open Steam, click on Steam, click on Settings, click on Downloads. Scroll down. In Clear Download Cache, click on Clear Cache and confirm. Click on Storage. Choose the drive in which you have your games installed. Click on the three dots and click on Repair Library. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.